All right, guys, I'm here today to review the Drone Tech replacement propellers for the Avata series drone. You can check them out here. I love the orange color. You know, even though I'm flying with goggles, I'm a professional drone pilot. It helps my spotter. You know, when I'm using a spotter, they can see the drone in the air easier. The propellers are slightly higher performance. It's difficult to measure, but they do work better than the standard ones. This drone, you can beat the hell out of it, but I do go through props and stuff, landing in grass or you know, catching little branches every now and then. So it's nice. Definitely want to have a lot of replacement propellers. It also comes with screws. You have to use their screws. The Avata props use a different screw set. But anyway, these propellers are perfect. They look great and they perform well, better than stock. So check out Drone Tech replacement propellers for the Avata series drone. You won't regret it.